Madison County School System is a wonderful place to be. The community is great, the students are wonderful, and the staff is great as well. When we were all facing budget cuts and some other things due to the pandemic, ABM was able to defer our lease payments for 2 years and our custodial payment, which allowed us to put those resources in other areas that were very important, especially in facilities, enabling us time and resources to complete projects otherwise that we would have to put on the back burner, or it would take us longer to complete.
They were very service-oriented. We have numerous examples of how when we had questions or if there were issues that we needed corrected, they stepped in and made it happen the way we wanted it or the way we needed it to be done. Typically, we had graduation off-site. We were able to have the facility upgrades here in our stadium. That now allows us to hold our graduation here. It's really been beneficial to us, especially during those times of revenue reduction, if you will, from the state.
I went to school here, so Madison County Schools was near and dear to my heart. I loved every phase we've done here. I love seeing the change throughout the facilities. It's just a great relationship we have with our client.
I spent 31 years in education. As a superintendent, it used to drive me crazy to be told that we don't have the money to provide that for our students. ABM was a way for us to be able to cash flow facility and athletic upgrades with no upfront cash, no bond referendum, no tax increase, and to be able to pay for it over time. We have been a partner with them that has provided not only energy and operational savings, but also tremendous customer service. I'm really proud of the stadium, the way that we helped them with a need that they had, and I'm really proud of the relationship that we have with Madison County Schools.
I think that the new stadium gave a focal point toward Madison County Schools. It's just immaculate, and the whole community sees that.
It's been a great partnership for our school system to meet the needs of our facilities in regards to HVAC work, LED lighting, stadium renovations. All of those pieces have been part of the work that we've been able to partner with ABM. For a rural school system, we have some of the nicest facilities in the area, and I think we're extremely proud of that. And our students take pride in that. It's really been a blessing for us to be able to accomplish so much over the last several years. Partnering with ABM has really made a difference for us in regards to being able to have that balance.
They want to do what's best for school districts and not just for ABM. Students come first, they understand what we need, and they also make the needs of our students a priority. ABM helped the Madison County Charter School System make a difference, a very large difference. It actually helped us to provide opportunities for our students in a more timely manner. If it wasn't for ABM, there were some projects that would have taken us much longer time frame to complete, but through this relationship, we've been able to accomplish a lot of great things here in the Madison County School System, not only for the students, but for the staff as well.